Okay, this is a quick tutorial to show you how to create rolling credits in Premiere Pro. Okay, so here we are in Premiere Pro. So the first thing we need to do is to create a legacy title, and we do that by going to the File menu, selecting New, and then selecting Legacy Title. We need to give that a name, so let's call it Credit Roll. Okay, credit roll, okay to that, and that's going to bring up this other dialog box. All right, so if you have a look up here, you'll see this little button where my mouse is, and that has our options for making this a rolling credit. All right, so it's by default set to still, so we want to change that to roll, and we want it to start off screen and end off screen, and then we simply say OK. Okay, next step is to drag out a text box. So let's just drag out a text box here. Let's say just make it that long. Okay, then we need to start to add in some lines. So let's say I'm just going to add in some random lines here. Line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, and so on. I'm just going to put a bunch of random letters here so we can see how it crawls. All right, and that is about it. So now when we close that, you'll see that we now have a new piece of media in our project window here called the credit roll. When I grab that credit roll and put it on my timeline, the start of it, because we told it to start off screen, you'll see that it's blank. But if I hit play on that, my credits just roll up and off the screen. And that's about all there is to it. If you need to change something like the timing, etc., you can just double click on that in the on the timeline, and then you can do things like change how long the credit roll goes for, because it might be going too long, too short, etc. Change your fonts, etc. All of those controls are in here, but that's the basis of how you create a credit roll. Thanks, guys.